Hey there, gang. Welcome back to Papa's Model Workshop. I'm Papa, and this was my workshop. My whole stash is gone. What the heck happened? Actually, I have to break down this whole area because they're coming in here. My friend Carmine, he owns, what's the name? Creative Designs. Actually, Carmine is the one who put in the slop sink for me and redid the kitchen last summer. So Carmine, his son Carmine Jr., and their associate John, they're all going to be here on Monday to take down the ceiling in here. So we had to clear out the stash and really break down this entire area. And I'll show you in a second. I mean, the ceiling here is in bad shape, and I've been wanting to do this for an awfully long time. I'm going to give you a quick update on the 1910 London taxi. All of the parts are painted, and I think I'm finally ready for assembly. Haven't gotten much work done on the tank. Actually, it's been a very busy week here. I really haven't been in the workshop since last Monday, I think. And this is Saturday, the 4th of April. So yeah, it's been quite a number of days since I've been down here in the workshop. Like I said, Monday, Carmine and his crew will be in here tearing apart the ceiling and so on. So anyway, also on Tuesday, the 7th, this coming Tuesday, I have a major announcement from Gallery. Gallery is coming out with brand new products, so I will be announcing what those products are on Tuesday, April the 7th. So stick around for that one, okay? And speaking of Gallery, here you go. This is the discount code for Papa's Model Workshop viewers. Right there, PPMW, and you'll get 10% off. And you can use that on Tuesday when I reveal the brand new product announcements from Gallery. Okay, let's see. While I'm sitting here, we're closing in on NNL East. That's just about, let me see, what do we got here? 3 weeks away. 3 weeks away from NNL East. Okay, so check that out. Okay, there it is, April 25th, Wayne, New Jersey. All right, and I've been saying all along, this is a great show, and it really is. So you don't want to miss that. And a couple of months away, well, more than a couple, quite a number of months away, but still doesn't hurt to show you. The Long Island Auto Replica Society show will be in Freeport in November. So put this one on your calendar as well. Okay, that's a real good show. Okay, so I'll quickly flip the camera around. I'll show you what they're going to be doing here, and then we'll go inside. I'll show you where I'm at on that 1910 London taxi. Okay, so hang on. Okay, so right back here is normally where my stash is, and clearly you can see it's all been dismantled and moved. Actually, Karen did all of that this morning, and I came down here this morning, and it was all gone. I can't believe how quickly she did that. I didn't even know she was down here doing that. So she took that all apart, and in fact, it's all in here. Okay, let me see if I can show you this. Let me get a light on in here, and this is where she put everything, okay? So, actually it fit in here pretty nicely. I was almost tempted to say, let's just leave it here, but no, I don't want to cut things off from the oil burner. This is a rather narrow walkway now with all of this in here. So, you know, in case there's ever a problem with the oil burner, I don't want to have access to be limited getting back in here. So this will go back to where it's been after they're done redoing that ceiling. And for those of you who have been asking, there is the slop sink right there. Carmine Jr. and John, they did a great job on this. Got my ultrasonic cleaner right there. Okay, so anyway, let me take a look up here, and here is the ceiling. So I don't think it requires really much explanation as to why I need this ceiling to be dealt with. Okay, you know, over in here, I guess, is not terrible, but, you know, while they're here, we're not going to just do one section. We're going to redo everything. So, yeah, this ceiling in here was in major need of, well, not just repair, but really just complete replacement. So that's what will be going on here on Monday. So let's head into the workshop. Okay, and I'm going to grab my coffee here. Be patient with me while I grab my coffee. Let's head into the workshop, and I'll show you the 1910 taxi. And here we go. Okay, and this is where I'm at. Set this down here. There we go. And if you haven't been following the channel, oops, I got my finger in there. Sorry about that. This is the 1910 London taxi. This is an ICM kit, okay, in 1/24th scale, and I am going to be doing it in green. All right, and here's where we are. All right, everything has been painted. This is the green color that I have gone with, and this is Vallejo acrylic amber green. This is a metallic amber green, and I think that's going to look really very nice. Okay, I'm going to go with yellow wheels on it and yellow undercarriage. All right, so these wheels, as you see here, will be yellow, all right? And the undercarriage down in here, this will all be yellow, okay? I got that idea because, you know, as I've mentioned in the past, I do research before all of my builds, and I saw this in a number of colors, and one of the colors was this green. In fact, the predominant color for this taxi is green, but in doing my research, I found a number of pictures. I'm trying to set this down. I can't. There we go. I found a number of pictures where these wheels were in yellow, and the undercarriage was in yellow, and I really liked that a lot. So that's the way I'm going to be going. All right, and here we go. It's all done in yellow, and you know, I'm going to start assembling this probably this afternoon. So I think that is going to about do it for this video. It's a real quick one because, as I said, I really haven't been down here all week, and I don't have a whole lot to tell you about. So what I will tell you is, you know, I will begin assembling this today, and then Monday they will start on the ceiling over in the other room, and we will move forward from there. And the tank, I haven't, like I said, I haven't done a whole lot with the tank. In fact, I'll tell you what, I'll take you over here real fast. Okay, and here is our tank, and let me see if I can get some lights on here. Does this light work? Is this plugged in? Hang on, I'm going to try to get some. Yep, there we go. We've got some light. Okay, so there's our tank, and here's where we are. And it's pretty much, well, probably exactly the same as the last time I mentioned this. I haven't really done much work at all on this tank. So, so I guess that's going to do it for now. This, by the way, I think this is it. Is this the amber green? I'm going to say yes because I don't have my glasses on and I can't read what that is. And I got my finger in the way again. Sorry about that. Let me see. I can't see. Yep, this is it, amber green. Okay, this is the color that I used for the 1910 London taxi. Okay, so with that, I'm going to call it quits on this video, I think. And you know, I've got everything all cleaned up over here in anticipation of working on that London taxi a little bit more. Okay, so as usual, thanks so much again for tuning in. I want to give a quick shout out to my friend Jamie Sophia. She was in the hospital, and I hope she's feeling better. Shout out to my friend John Pilger. He was in the hospital too, but he's home now, so hope he's feeling better. And Ed Nash, he was also in the hospital for a little bit, and I hope he's feeling better too. So good health to everybody. Get back to your workbenches, and I will see all of you in the next video.